Hello everyone, today we are with Garnet, Special Assistant of General Manager for Sandsun. Hi Garnet.
Hi everyone.
Okay Garnet, could you give us a brief introduction of your company?
Okay, Sandsun is a 30 years experience company. We are majoring in the quick mold changing system for injection molding machine, press machine, or die casting machine. We do provide all of the solution for mold changing problems. We do have a dealer in many countries. For example, in Indonesia, India, Korea, or even Thailand, South Asia, even Turkey. We do have a dealer. So the way we are going to provide a service is we provide a solution for our customers in their more changing problems.
Okay, yeah. Perfect. Okay, Garnet. Also, since last Taipei Plus already happened 3 to 4 years,
Yes.
Can you tell us more about the products you have right now and your new development, and why you are showcasing this mold car system and also quick mold chain system?
Okay. This year we do promote our product is AMR mold car system, which is a brand new product, brand new innovation for our products. We never presented it before. The way we are presenting it because you see, there is no rail underground. For example, one of our customers, have a trouble in the rail system. Before they want to change their machine locations, this rail is cause a lot of problem for them. So we are developing like AMR mocha system. So you can just imagine it's just a clean robot carrying with our mold changing device. So it can go everywhere in our factory locations. It do use LiDAR and then SLAM technologies. So first of all, like this machine, this robot, when you go to a new place, they will go all around of your place and then making a map. So in the future, the car movement is based on this map. So you don't need to worry about he will go lost. Yeah, and also you will see there is a QR code on our ground. So this is a more precisely location. All the car will recognize this code and know where they are. So once you want to change the mold, you just use the iPad and then say this car to go a place to pick out the mold and then to a machine to change the mold. It's a fully automatically. You don't need to use use their manpower and very dangerous job handling on the mold on the air. So this car will present to our customer is more safe environment and a more better, more changing process and more easier way to change the product, to change the mold. Yes.
They're pretty interesting. So basically you help customer with some solution and automation as well.
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, Garnet, can you tell us more about nowadays circular economy is one of the main issues around the world.
Yep.
Everyone is talking about it. Could you tell us how Sandsun is part of this circular economy trend?
Okay, for the circular economies, something Sandsun already start to do it. I will say the 3 words. First word is reduce, and then reuse, and then it's recycle. So for reduce, for example, like this car, we are reduce the waste on it. Why we reduce the waste? Because before, like this kind of automatic mold car, they need have a rail. But now we don't need a rail, so we reduce the rail, the steel, and then the iron usage, so we can use less irons. So we can consider it reduce waste. And for the reuse, see, we use a DC motor, which is much more economy, how can I say, economy friendly for the environment because it's a lower power consumptions compared to the AC motors. And also, like electronic car, you can also use the clean power to charge it.
Okay.
We do have a battery inside. Also, you can use the clean power to charge it. Yeah, so almost is like relate to like the clean products. Yes.
Understand. Okay, thank you very much, Gardner, for your insight about your new products. And let's continue with this tour. Okay, thank you very much to Mr. Gardner for letting us know more what they are doing recently and what are the expectations for this type of class.